Merong former commissioner na nagsasalita sa TV na sinasabing yung source code daw, wala raw source code. So magkakaroon ng problema ngayong 2013.
Opo.
Kung sinasabi ko, former commissioner, and I'd like to mention his name, Gus Lapman, should not be talking too much on TV, on radio, if he does not understand all the facts. Sabi niya, walang source code. Hindi raw makakarating ang source code. Na sinasabi ko, merong source code. Yung source code ng Dominion binigay sa SLI. Review ng SLI, buo-buo yun, more than 6 months. SLI came out with an independent certification na accurate yung source code. Kinonvert yung source code into a binary. Nandito ang binary, tuloy ang eleksyon. Hindi sinasabi ni Mr. Lagman na nandito na yung binary, tsaka hindi niya binabanggit yung certification ng independent certifier. Bakit niya ayaw banggitin yun? Yun ang importante, yun ang requirement ng batas, yung independent certifier, hindi yung review.
Is he misinformed or he's just...
No, I think he's trying to mislead everybody and trying to create a scenario na may problema because of the source code.
So may maling intentions na
Definitely.
deliberate.
If he keeps on repeating that the absence of source code will affect the elections, that's wrong, totally wrong.
He's deliberately misleading the public?
He's an IT expert. He should know
So is
that
he...
the source code has already been reviewed and certified to by independent certifier. Why is he not mentioning that? Ang problema dito ngayon sa mga ganito is gusto nila siraan ang eleksyon sa 2013 para bang gusto nila hindi matuloy at magkagulo ang 2013. And I think that is very unfair to the Commission. We're working very hard. We're working very hard to ensure na okay ang eleksyon. Sila, puna ng puna, para bang gusto nila talagang masira para sabihin nila, tama kami, nasira ang eleksyon. Bakit hindi sila tumulong? Especially for one who was a member of this commission. And I challenge Mr. Gus Lagman to debate with me on the source code.